Welcome to Rhino 6. So let's double click on this perspective tab here so we can see all 4 different views at once, and then we're going to be double clicking on top tab in order to work in this top-down plan view for a second. And if we click on this polygon right here, you see how there's duplicate copy of that curve. So let's just click on one of them and type in M spacebar and grab that duplicate copy elsewhere. So we're only working with one copy at a time. And we're going to be working with the NURB surface command called PlanarSrf. So let's click on the polygon and type in PlanarSrf. So we just created a NURB surface. And then if we click on this curve right here, we can move the control points along that curve, you can see. And then let's right click on the top view and go to the ghosted view. You can see how the surface that we created did not move with the new curve configuration. So let's just see if we can make the surface move along with the curve changes. So we click on this duplicate copy right here, and this time we're going to click on record history and then type in PlanarSrf. And then we're going to manipulate this node right here, this control point right here. You can see how this time the smart surface actually moves along with the new curve configuration. But if we click on the smart surface and type in rebuild, typically we use 3 degrees of freedom for each direction. For surfaces, we might go up to 5 for solids. And then the U and V, we can think of them as X and Y for our normal coordinates. Right now, they're just mapped onto the surface. So 10 and 10 look fine. So let's just hit OK. You can see how once we rebuild the surface, we actually broke the history. So now, if we click on the curve again and we try to move the control point, now you can see how the surface does not go with it. So it's really important for us to remember to not rebuild your surface after you had used the record history. So you might want to do it first and then record history and then move the control point later. All right, and then we're going to talk about how to use control points to manipulate a NURB surface like this in our next video. See you in the next video.